Hey guys, welcome to B-Stride DIY. I'm at Harbor Freight Tools and I'm going to show you their parking lot August tool sale going on. So this is their parking lot sale. It's starting for Inside Track Club members Monday through Thursday, August 12th through the 15th. Now everyone's going to start saving Friday, August 16th through the 18th. So it's better to get on for these deals with the Inside Track Club, but you can still get some starting on August 16th, Friday. First up is this US General 5-drawer mechanics cart. It's for $197. It's $82 off. It was $279, and it comes in all these colors. It's a 30-inch cart, and it has this nice top part here with the rubber, and then it has these drawers which have the nice rubberized inserts here. I think these bottom two were locked or whatnot. Now they have this one next to it. I really like this color. It's like a dark purple almost. It says it's blue, but I'm pretty sure it's a dark purple. Now this is what it looks like here. It's got 5 stars with quite a few ratings. Now next up is from Daytona. They got this 3-ton low-profile professional floor jack with rapid pump for $129. That's $50 off. It's got over 4,000 5-star reviews, so that's pretty good. And it comes in 4 available colors. I think it's like blue, orange, black, and then green. So again, that's $129. Pretty good price. It's not the best price it's ever been, but still pretty good. Now from Daytona is this 3-ton jack stand set. It's half off at 50% off at $24. It was $49. So it can hold up to 6,000 pounds. Double lock mobility pin for extra safety, and this comes in all kinds of colors. I think it's like orange, green. I think it's blue as well, and black. Next is this 5,000 watt dual fuel super quiet inverter generator with remote start and CO secure technology for $899. So that's $200 off. It was $1,099. This is what it looks like here. This would be great if you have like a food truck or something, or you need to power that up. We really love food trucks here where we live. And this is what it looks like, 5,000 watts max. And then this is the Flux 125 welder from Chicago Electric. This is going to be $21 off. It's $78.99. It was $100. It says this is great for outdoor use and on dirty metals, apparently. Output of 125 amps. It includes all this listed below. Now titanium, I like this brand. This is a titanium flux inverter power welder. It's $129. It was $149, so it's 20 bucks off. And now below it, they have a welder's cart for $32.99. This is 34% off. I'm gonna try to get a better view here, just kind of position the camera. There you go. Now there's some other deals. These are in-store only. So for 30% off, any Apache case. Now, of course, it says case contents and locks not included. I guess that's common sense. But these are really cool because they are really tough. So 30% off for Inside Track Club at the moment, but on Friday, they're gonna be 30% off for everyone else. These come in black, orange, I think it's like Desert Storm tan, and then like a army green color. Oh, and yellow as well. But these are really cool because they have pick apart foam, at least on the bottom portion, so you can mold them to whatever you need to put in there. Now this is in-store only. It's 40% off any Icon ratchet. And they had these 3 main types of ratchets. I'm going to show you what they had here in store. So it looks like they could have saved some paper and just put 40% off all over this whole section. But they've got the flex head 90-tooth ratchets, the low profile 90-tooth ratchets. And then this is the Icon 24 karat gold plated professional ratchet. It's a special edition. And that one's a little bit more expensive, I think at $59. The other ones look like they're in the 30s, but it's going to be 40% off all of those ratchets either way. So they did have quite a few of these still here. It is Monday, so it's the first day of their sale, but you still want to get in as early as you can if you want to get those deals because they're in store only. Now this is the other deal. This is 50% off their gloves. So this is one of their best deals here. So they have the different thicknesses here. I think it's 5 mil, 7 mil, and then 9. Now these I think are 50 gloves per box, I want to say. They're different colors. They're blue, black. I think the black ones are the like heavier duty mechanics disposable gloves. But then they have the light blue kind of standard looking gloves with the 5 mil, and the green and the orange color as well. Now this is the Portland pressure electric washer for $64.99. It's 27% off. Was $89. This is what it looks like here. I think the best price I've seen for this is probably maybe 49, but that's like Black Friday. So this is still a pretty good deal. It's $64. A lot better than the 89. So 27% off, 1750 psi, and it's a 13 amp tool. It is corded, so it's not a cordless electric power washer. But go ahead and stay till the end as well. I'm going to show you some of the lesser known deals in the flyer as well. So for $99, this is the high velocity shot fan. You can choose the 24-inch or the 30-inch pedestal, so that's $40 off. And I'm going to pan up to kind of show you. This one has the stand with it here, so it's a nice large fan if you have a shop or garage or something. And then this lower one here, you can kind of pan down and you can see it. That's what that looks like. And these are from Central Machinery, I believe is the brand here. And go ahead and let me know if you're planning on picking something up this week. Go ahead and put it in the comments so we can check it out. Now this is a Hercules deal. When you buy any Hercules kit starting at $97, you get a free 4 amp hour battery for free. So this looks like it's maybe the impact driver with the battery charger. So this is one of the kits here. It includes the battery, but you're going to get an extra 4 amp hour battery for free when you do this. Now this is the paint sprayer for $199. This is what this looks like here. You can use this with 1 or 5 gallon buckets, and it has the anti-slip feed, of course. It was $249, so you're saving $50 on this one. Now from Avanti, as well as the $37 paint sprayer, it was $79, so it's 52% off. It's 4.7 gallons per hour. You can just pour the paint in, and it's going to be 7 times faster, it's saying, than just rolling, or 12 times faster if you're using a brush. You can use stains as well with this. Now from Bauer, this is a deal for $29. You're saving 40% here on their 20 volt 6.5 inch circular saw. This is the tool only, so keep that in mind. But if you do have an extra battery laying around, this would be a good deal, I think. So right underneath it, this is what it looks like in box. It says again, it's the tool only. Now this is another Bauer deal. You buy two 20 volt 3 amp hour batteries for $79. So it's a savings of $40 when you buy these. So this is what it looks like here, the 20 volt lithium ion batteries. Now with this sale, they also included a lot of the Bauer power tools as well, which you usually don't see. So this is for $7.99. This is a savings of about $20 off. This is their 20 volt cordless stapler. It says it provides up to 60 staples per minute if you're using it continuously. This again is the tool only, so you will need a battery for this one. And it's interesting, they had about 4 or 5 different tools where they did the $29 deal. So this is another one here. This is the cordless reciprocating saw for $29. Now they don't include the batteries, but I mean, that's still 40% off a tool. And the Bauer has the other combo battery deal. So Hercules and Bauer just kind of combining their deals here. Now with this one, you're going to buy this tool and you get a battery for free. This is the multi-material cutting tool. It does include blades and has a 5-year warranty, I believe. So these are bundle savings from Hercules. So you buy any 2 tools from $99. You can choose 2 of these tools. First up is the 20 volt 1/2 inch hammer drill driver, the reciprocating saw 1/2 inch 4-mode impact wrench, 3-speed impact driver, 1/2 inch extended anvil impact wrench, extended battery, the job site blower, 5-inch random orbital sander, the 7 variable speed rotary polisher sander, the 3/8 of an inch impact wrench, or the angle grinder. So you can pick 2 of these tools, and it'll be $99 when you buy those 2. Now from Hercules, they have quite a few of these stocked here, and I think they were putting more out as well. Now for $79, this is $20 off their Master Bit socket set from Quinn. It's an 87-piece tool set. I believe it's SAE and metric, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to try to go a little closer here to show the different bit ends. And now this other tool set, I'm back on the flyer here. This is Pittsburgh. It's their mechanics tool set. It's a 225-piece set for $99, and that's $40 off. And then $29, it was $39. They have this 130-piece tool set SAE in metric, and this half-inch drive set for $19. Now for $199, this is their 20-gallon, 1.6 horsepower vertical lube air compressor. It has 135 max PSI, and this is $40 off, so this is good throughout the whole week. And then they have this 8-gallon for $139. This 1.5 horsepower oil-free portable air compressor, 150 PSI. I do find this is a pretty good price for this one. You may see it maybe like $9 or $10 cheaper if it's like Black Friday, but that's really about it. So these are some pretty good deals going on. And to the right, I actually really like this section when you first go in our stores to the right. Now this is one of those laminated pieces of the flyer kind of around the store. Now first up, they have one of the tarps for $1 and the little Harbor Freight bucket. Sometimes they give these out for free, but I guess normally priced are $4, so they're now down to $2.99. The orbital sander is $34. It was $64. They've got the 8-inch bench drill press with light for $73. It was $99. $49 for their half-inch drill driver kit. That does include battery and charger. 6.5 amp variable speed compact router for $29. It was $60. Their 4-inch by 36-inch belt and disc sander for $89. Their hammer drill driver kit for $54. That includes everything you need as well. And then the 18-gauge narrow crown stapler for $79. The 8-amp paddle switch angle grinder for $34. And then the cordless variable speed rotary tool kit. This is corded for $34. Now the 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw is $299. That's $50 off. And then you've got the 3-amp variable speed multi-tool for $34. That drill, I think it's the Hercules drill. That's a pretty good deal there for $50 off. It usually doesn't go too much cheaper. Now this is the HVLP paint sprayer. It's half off, or just about half off. $8.98. It's from Central Pneumatic for their spray gun. Now for $49, 16% off, so not wonderful, but still something off for their 3-gallon oil-free air compressor. Now this is, I think, on their front page. It's a 20-volt Bauer brushless high impact torque kit for $144. They do have their Prime Power alkaline batteries for $4.99. They're usually $7. We've got this moving blanket for $4.98. That's about half off. It's usually $8. These microfiber cleaning cloths are $2.96, and then the ratcheting set is $5, and that's usually $12. Now I'm at the store, but I just pulled out the circular here, and they have quite a few deals that I just want to go over. This is the Omni Pro 220 welder for $849. That's $250 off. And they had the 6-inch ratcheting bar clamp spreader for 37% off at $249. They've got some safety glasses. They come in 3 different colors for 98 cents. They've got this tape measure. It's a 25-foot tape measure, 60% off at $196. I almost said $60 off. Titanium drill bit set. It's a 29-piece for half off at $998. Now this is cool because the little portions kind of fold out. So they have different compartments in that one. This is the titanium step drill bit set for $749. That's 46% off. And they've got the rotary tool kit. It's an 80-piece corded kit for $6, and that's 30% off. Now for $299, they've got their 2.4 GPM pressure washer. It's rated pretty high at looks like about 4.5 stars. It was $349. This is from Predator. And this is their gas-powered earth auger. It's $189. That's $30 off. Usually with that, the lowest I've seen that is about $169, but that's probably like Black Friday deal. They've got the horizontal shaft gas engine for $329, and then the automatic feed drain cleaning drum machine, if you really have a clogged up drain or you're working in the business, for $349. That's $50 off. Now they have the 4-gallon backpack sprayer for $19. That's 33% off. They've got from Cover Pro the 10 by 17 foot portable car canopy for $189. That's $40 off. $100 watt monocrystalline solar panel at $89. And then they've got the Jupiter 2000 watt, 4000 watt peak modified power inverter for $129. And don't forget, they've got the liquidation sale still going on. I did another video from that. It says up to 78% off, and that says for hundreds of discontinued open box and as is closeout items. So just check those out. I didn't really look into that in the current store in the video I was doing, but they do have those. They've got this foldable aluminum sports chair for $19. That's 42% off. And this does have a high weight capacity, so that's nice. Looks like it's 5 stars with over 9,000 reviews. 10-foot by 12-foot tarp for $14. And for $49, they've got this adjustable shop stool with backrest. And then they have this Central Machinery 1500-watt steam cleaner kit for $99. That's $30 off. And those do come in handy. I had to get a stain out of my car and that no chemicals worked on it. And then I had to pick up a steam cleaner, and that did the trick the first time off like an unknown old stain that we've been trying to get out for a while. Now from Luminaire Outdoor, this is $19.99. It's 28% off this 24-foot LED outdoor string lights. These are nice along like railings and things like that. And this is a Braun 10,000 lumen 4-foot diamond plate LED shop light for $39. They've got the 1,000-pound capacity hardwood dolly for $8. That's about 31% off. Lowest I've seen on that was $6, I believe. 13% off, that's not the best. 40% off on Armstrong, this is not bad. $29 for their full motion TV wall mount. I have a smaller one for a TV and they work just fine. They've got this 10-inch pneumatic tire with white hub for $4. It's 44% off. Electric fly swatter for 50% off. Now this one I should have picked up. It's the 590 lumen tactical LED flashlight. It's 57% off for $598. So that's a really good deal. They got this .30 caliber ammo box. They have these all the time for 50% off. And then the magnetic tool holder and the cable tie pack, both for about $1. Now for $89, it's $30 off, is this Earthquake XT half-inch impact wrench. Go ahead and give this video a like if you're finding value of it and still watching. And go ahead and check out this next Lowe's video, guys.